In the sunny town of Sunhill lived the Rodriguez family, Mama Rosa, Papa Diego, and their two children, Maya and Luis. They were known throughout the neighborhood for their love of music and their passion for dancing. Every evening, their cozy living room would fill with the sounds of salsa music, and the family would dance together, laughing and twirling around the room. One day, Maya received an exciting invitation in the mail. It was a letter inviting her to participate in an important dance competition in the neighboring city of Harmonyville. Maya's heart skipped a beat as she read the letter. She had dreamt of participating in a dance competition like this for as long as she could remember. When Maya showed the invitation to her parents, Mama Rosa and Papa Diego could see the sparkle in her eyes, but they also noticed the hint of worry behind her excitement. The competition was in another city, and Maya would have to travel there alone. "Congratulations, Maya! This is an amazing opportunity!" Papa Diego exclaimed, beaming with pride. "But are you sure you'll be okay traveling by yourself?" Maya hesitated for a moment, unsure of what to say. She knew she wanted to go, but the thought of traveling alone made her nervous. Seeing Maya's uncertainty, Mama Rosa took her hand and squeezed it gently. "We know you can do it, Maya," she said reassuringly, "but we'll be there for you every step of the way, even if we can't be with you physically." Maya felt a wave of relief wash over her as she looked into her parents' loving eyes. She knew she could count on their support no matter what. The days leading up to the competition were a whirlwind of excitement and nerves for Maya. She spent hours practicing her dance routines in the living room, with Mama Rosa and Papa Diego cheering her on every step of the way. Luis, her younger brother, even joined in sometimes, showing off his best dance moves and making Maya laugh with his silly antics. Finally, the day of the competition arrived. Maya woke up early, her stomach fluttering with excitement. After a quick breakfast of pancakes and fresh fruit, Mama Rosa and Papa Diego drove her to the bus station, where Maya would catch a bus to Harmonyville. As they stood on the platform, waiting for Maya's bus to arrive, Papa Diego pulled her into a tight hug. "You've got this, Maya," he whispered in her ear. "Just remember, we're always here for you, no matter where you are." Mama Rosa wiped away a tear as she watched Maya board the bus. "Good luck, mi amor," she called out, her voice filled with pride. As the bus pulled away from the station, Maya waved goodbye to her family, feeling a mix of excitement and nervousness in her chest. But she also felt a warm sense of comfort, knowing that her family was behind her every step of the way. The competition in Harmonyville was everything Maya had hoped for and more. She danced with all her heart, pouring her passion and energy into every move. And when the final results were announced, Maya's name was called out as the winner of the competition. As Maya stood on stage, holding her trophy high above her head, she felt a surge of joy and gratitude wash over her. She knew that she couldn't have done it without the love and support of her family. When Maya returned home, she was greeted with cheers and hugs from Mama Rosa, Papa Diego, and Luis. They celebrated late into the night, dancing and laughing together in their cozy living room, just like they always did. And as Maya drifted off to sleep that night, she knew that no matter where life took her, she would always carry her family's love and support in her heart.